Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial we're using a plan to write a travel narrative. This writing will be at entry 3 or B1 level of English. We'll follow a plan to write sentences and paragraphs. And as you see, it will make sense and be clear and structured. So, introduction. I am going to write about Morocco. Being very clear to the reader, which I have always wanted to visit. Now I've got my present perfect already used in the correct way. Second sentence, in my writing, I will describe my experiences, comma, tell the different things that happened and the activities happening during my trip. As you see, it's all ticked off, so I can easily follow it and I don't repeat myself. So now it's a line space. The next paragraph, now describing the trip. Again, I'm using the keywords in my plan. This year I have been to Morocco, present perfect tense for experiences, full stop. I went there for 12 days. See, I've ticked it off on the side. That's using past simple tense. And visited 4 cities. Again, past simple, ticked it off on my plan. Next sentence. I was traveling, past continuous tense, in the southern part. Ticked it off. Which was fun and enjoyable. And a great experience. Now there are errors, I consider errors, and I'll come to them at the end to check them. Tick that off as well. Great experience for me. See? Full stop. I need another line space, new paragraph. Moving on to what happened. When I was traveling, past continuous tense again. When I was traveling there, I went to an amazing, because I'm describing of an adjective, cooking class. So I've ticked it off in Marrakesh. Full stop. I'll come back later to check it, where I learnt to cook chicken, tagine, and Moroccan salad. So I know there's some punctuation errors, but I'm going to come back at the end because I want to keep my flow of writing. A full stop. Moving on. My linking phrase also. I went hiking. In huge mountains. Comma. Ticked it off. Ran on beautiful beaches. I'm describing the beaches, the adjective before. Ran is in the past simple tense. And met friendly, one adjective. Local, another adjective. People. And I tick that off because I've written about it. Another line space, new paragraph. Now these are ongoing activities. During my trip, I was traveling by bus. Mostly. That's how I got around. In addition, another linking phrase, comma after that, I was laughing so much, past continuous tense, with my great friend, great is describing the friend, Wes, who is very funny. So who is my relative clause, and I was eating a lot of tasty dishes. Now, as we've written it quickly, there'll be some mistakes in spelling, punctuation and grammar, so we need to check it. There are 5 steps which are spell out C-L-E-A-R. First, we need to change the pen colour. That tells our brain we're now checking it. So let's go through the first paragraph. Yeah, this first sentence seems fine. However, we need a comma after writing to split that sentence up. Make it clear, put a comma there. And keep going through. So the first paragraph seems fine. Moving on to the second paragraph. If we find any mistakes, we're going to edit them and add corrections above. Make a full stop clear. Now, this sentence seems like we need a change. I'm going to cross out and put a comma because we've got a list of things. Okay, move on to the third paragraph. Need a comma here to split that sentence up. And here Marrakesh is the name of a city. We need a capital M. We're going to write it above. Chicken tagine is a name of a dish. Capital T, write it above it. Moroccan salad, capital M, is a name of a nationality. And we spelt Moroccan wrong as well. So we've got to write it above. I'm going to cross out our error. And capital S is the name of a dish, salad. Okay, keep going through here and make that full stop clear at the end of that paragraph. Now on to the final paragraph. Yeah, making that full stop clear. And here, Wes is a person's name, capital W above our mistake. Yeah, and I want to add something at the end because I'm going to make the sentence longer. Moroccan food, I'm going to show I can spell Moroccan correctly. Moroccan food is one of the best, I'm showing my superlative sentence here, the best in the world. Full stop. So now we quickly review it, looks fine. So now we've checked it properly. So that's it. When you use a plan, your writing is clear and structured. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.